So after releasing the F101, which is the rugged phone with the loudest speaker in the world, Fossibot has announced the F102, the successor of the F101. The F102 is a much more superior device to the F101, and it packs impressive specifications, specs that I consider to be top-notch. And just like the F101, it is a rugged phone designed to be able to withstand harsh conditions, and it is ideal for people working in different fields, including construction, manufacturing, and so on. And just to let you guys know, Fossibot is coming up with a promotional event where you can actually stand a chance to win the newly released Fossibot F102. If you wish to participate in the event, then make sure to check the instructions in the video description. So without further ado, let's explore the top features of the Fossibot F102. So the F102, just like the F101, is a rugged phone like I mentioned earlier. It is rated IP68 and IP69K, which means this device is resistant to water, dust, and high pressure jets. It is also military grade standard H10H certified, which means this device is designed to be able to withstand different harsh conditions and shocks. So this device is a lot more durable than a standard smartphone. Now, due to the fact that the device is water resistant, the device supports underwater photography. That is, you can actually take different shots underwater. Under the hood, this device is powered by the Helio G99, which we all know as the most advanced and most powerful and efficient 4G MediaTek processor and one of the best 4G processors in the market. Paired with the Helio G99 is 12 GB RAM. The device also supports virtual RAM expansion of up to 8 GB. Now, you shouldn't have to worry about taking this amount of memory from the device's internal storage because the device has a really large internal storage. It's a 256 GB internal storage, which I believe is more than enough for many smartphone users. And the internal storage could also be expanded up to 1 TB via SD. The device also features a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. In the camera department, the device features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 108MP primary sensor, which is capable of taking high quality photos and videos, followed by a 24MP night vision camera and a 5MP macro lens. And at the front is a 32MP camera for selfies and video calls. The device ships with the Android 13 right out of the box, and it is the vanilla or stock version of Android, which means that this device would not be shipping with any unnecessary bloatware that would occupy space. Now, this one packs a ginormous 16,500 mAh battery. This battery size is expected to last for up to a week on a single charge, depending on how you use the phone. And the device supports 33-watt fast charging, which is guaranteed to charge the phone rapidly. So these are additional features of the Fossibot F102. At the back of the phone is a round-shaped, super bright 495 lumens flashlight. The device also supports NFC. On the right side of the phone is the power button and volume keys, and on the other side is the SIM and SD card slot. Embedded on the power button is a fingerprint scanner. It supports Bluetooth 5.2, dual 4G connectivity, OTG, proximity, accelerometer, gyroscope, and so on. So these are the top features of the Fossibot F102, and I believe this device is going to be available for a very affordable price. And like I mentioned earlier, if you want to win a Fossibot F102 and other impressive gifts, then make sure to check the instructions in the video description. So I'd like to hear your thoughts about this new rugged phone from Fossibot. Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.